Good morning, students. Welcome to Max Online class. How are you, students? I hope you all are fine and safe by God's grace. Students, in the previous classes, you have learned slope of the straight line, is it? Today, I am going to explain practical geometry. In the practical geometry, I am going to explain construction of similar triangles. Okay, construction of similar triangles. This portion you have to take an 80-page note and start to draw. Okay, in 80-page note you have to start to draw. Students, first question example 4.10 I am going to explain. The question is, construct a triangle similar to a given triangle PQR with its sides equal to 3 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the triangle PQR. First, similar means what? Two figures are said to be similar if every aspect of one figure is proportional to the other figure. In short form, if you are saying one figure is the enlargement of other, means we can say that two triangles are similar. Okay, one figure is the enlargement of other, means we can say that two figures are similar. Now, the question is, construct a triangle similar to a given triangle PQR with its sides equal to 3 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the triangle PQR. Okay, one side is similar to the one side is equal to 3 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the triangle PQR. Okay. First, we have to write given. What is given? Scale factor 3 by 5, that is less than 1. Okay, given scale factor 3 by 5, that is less than 1. Okay, 3 by 5 less than 1. First, we have to draw a rough diagram. First, we have to draw a rough diagram. Simply, we have to draw a triangle PQR. Construct a triangle PQR. Okay, PQR is a triangle. One triangle PQR. We have to construct a triangle PQR. Now, scale factor, you have to see the scale factor 3 by 5. Here, the denominator is greater than the numerator. If the denominator is greater than the numerator, means inside of this triangle, we have to draw another triangle P dash Q R dash. Okay, this line PR is parallel to P dash R dash. Okay, now the scale factor is in the scale factor, the denominator is greater, means inside the triangle you have to draw P dash R dash. Have you understand that? Okay, this much only the rough diagram. Next, fair diagram. We have to draw a fair diagram. Okay, fair diagram. In this fair diagram, first you have to construct any one of the triangle. Any one of the triangle. I am constructing a triangle with side 5 centimeter. If you are constructing other triangle also, no problem. if you are constructing every side is 5 centimeter means it is for looking it is beautiful. So I am taking side 5 centimeter. First I am taking 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter. Next, here 5 centimeter I am measuring in the compass. 5 centimeter measuring, and here from here also arc. Okay, if you are drawing another means also no problem. I am taking that constructing triangle with side 5 centimeter. Simply drawing a triangle also no problem. Now I am constructing a triangle PQR with the side 5 centimeter. PQR. Okay, have you understand this much? Now I am constructing a triangle with side 5 centimeter. Now we have to take we have to draw a ray. Okay, from Q you have to draw a ray QX. Okay, simply you have to draw a ray QX. Okay, simply you have to draw a ray QX, making an acute angle. This is the acute angle. Here it want to make an acute angle with QR. Okay, acute angle with QR on the side opposite to the vertex P. Okay, the vertex P, opposite of vertex P, we have to draw a ray QX. It want to make an acute angle with QR. Okay, now we have to split this line into 5 equal parts. Why we have to split the line into 5 equal parts means, look the scale factor. Here what is the highest number? 5 is the highest number. Okay, so we have to split this into 5 equal parts. For this I am taking, you can take any measurement, but I am taking 1 centimeter. Okay, with 1 centimeter I am splitting this. Okay, 1 centimeter from here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points I have split. This you have to name it Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. Okay, 5. Okay, scale factor, what's the highest number is there, that much parts we have to split. Okay, I have taken 1 centimeter. You can take any measurement also. Now, what is the denominator value? 5. Okay, denominator value is 5. Okay, so fifth part you have to join to R. Okay, denominator what value is there, that you have to be joined to R. Okay, so now we have to join Q5 and R. Clear this? Now the numerator is 3. Okay, the numerator is 3. Now we have to see this Q5. We want to take Q5 and Q3. From this Q5, you have to draw an arc. This arc want to join 2 places here. Okay, it want to cut this part as well as this part also. Okay, this line QX line and Q5R line, it want to touch with the same measurement. Which measurement you have drawn the arc? With the same measurement, what is the numerator value? 3. In the third part also you have to draw the arc. Okay, which measurement you have taken here, with the same measurement in the third part also you have to draw the arc. Clear? Okay, Q5 to here on arc with the same measurement Q3 to you have to draw a arc. Now students, look carefully. Now with this compass you have to measure this distance. Okay, here cutted now this arc and this arc measurement. Okay, correctly you have to take it. Okay, this two measurement correctly you want to take it. From here now we cutted now this arc. Okay, this arc, this point. Okay, not Q to this point. Now we cutted now that arc to here. Okay, it want to cut here like that. One arc you want to put. Okay, with this measurement. Okay, here to here you have to draw a arc. Now students, you want to take the set square. Okay, take the set square. It want to join here. Okay, keep it like this. Okay, it want to touch here. Okay, correctly, properly move here. Still Q3. Okay, it want to touch Q3 as well as this arc also. Q3 as well as this arc also. Students, you have to join this. Okay, you want to join this. Okay, join this. Okay, now this point you have to mark as R dash. Okay, this way you have to mark it as R dash. Now this line should be parallel to this line. Okay, these two lines should be parallel. Okay, if you are not drawing parallelly, it is mistake. Okay, so parallelly Q3 R dash should be parallel to Q5 R. Now again we have to draw an arc from R. Okay, any measurement, with any measurement you have to simply want to draw an arc. Okay, afterwards from R dash also you have to draw an arc. From R dash also you want to draw an arc. Okay, from R to you want to draw an arc with the same measurement. From R dash also you have to draw an arc. Now again we have to measure this distance. Okay, what is this distance? This much you have to measure with the compass. Okay, with the compass you have to measure. From here to here also you have to, with the same measurement you have to put the arc. Clear? Now students, you want to take the set square. Set square want to join this line. Okay, this line properly. You want to touch this line properly. Slowly, slowly, still the point R dash and this arc you have to move this. Slowly you have to move this. Okay, clear? Slowly you want to move this R dash and this arc also. Now join this also. With this R dash and arc, through this R dash and the arc you have to join this. Okay, join this also. Now this line is parallel. PR is parallel to P dash R dash. Okay, this PR should be parallel to P dash R dash. This is the required triangle. Now P dash QR dash is similar to PQR with the scale factor 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5. Okay, clear? Any otherwise? Find 3/5 of this PQ, P dash QR dash 3/5 of PQR. Clear? Now you have to write a construction like this. Okay, construct a triangle PQR with any measurement. Draw a ray QX making an acute angle with the QR on the side opposite to vertex P. Locate 5 points. Next that the Q1 is equal to Q1 Q2 is equal to Q2 Q3 is equal to Q3 Q4 is equal to Q4 Q5. Join Q5R and draw a line through Q3 parallel to Q5R. Intersect QR at R dash. Draw a line through R dash parallel to the line RP. Intersect QP at P dash. Then P dash QR dash is the required triangle. Each of coside is 3/5 of the corresponding sides of triangle PQR. Okay, any doubt in here? And now I am going to explain the next example question. Example 4.11. Listen. Now I am going to explain example 4.11. Here the question is construct a triangle similar to a given triangle PQR with its sides equal to 7 by 4 of, okay, in the fourth part 7 part of the corresponding sides of the triangle PQR. Okay, scale factor 7 by 4. Here it is greater than 1. Okay, here given scale factor 7 by 4 is greater than 1. Here also, okay, somewhat difference is there in the first model and second model. First, same like that, the triangle name is PQR. Okay, if it is ABC, you want to construct a triangle of ABC. Here the triangle is PQR only. So, I am constructing a triangle PQR. PQR. Listen students, the scale factor is 7 by 4. Here the numerator is greater. If the numerator is greater, the similar triangle will become where? Outside of this triangle. Okay, the similar triangle will become, okay, outside of this triangle. So, we have to extend this to line and we have to construct a similar triangle P dash R dash outside. Okay, you want to mention P dash R dash where? Above this triangle. Okay, outside of the triangle PQR. Now, a far diagram. We can draw a far diagram. For far diagram, same like that before problem, we have to construct a triangle with any measurement. Okay, with any measurement. I am constructing a triangle of side 5 centimeter. Okay, here in this diagram the top also some more place we need, so somewhat leave the place and draw. First 5 centimeter, next measure 5 centimeter in the scale, in the compass also. We can construct a triangle of side 5 centimeter. Any measurement you can take. Okay, I have taken 5 centimeter. Okay, construct a triangle. The triangle name is PQR. PQR. Now same like before problem, construct a ray, draw a ray QX, draw a ray QX, okay, draw a ray QX making acute angle on QR, okay, making acute angle on QR, QX making acute angle on QR. Now look at 7 points in the line in the ray QX, okay, equal points. So like before problem, I am taking 1 centimeter. If you are not measuring also no problem, any measurement you can take. I am taking 1 centimeter, okay, 1 centimeter with 7 part. Why I am taking 7 part? Look the scale factor. Here the highest point is the numerator value only higher, is it? That is 7. So we have to divide into 7 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here the point is Q, so I am writing Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7, 7 parts, okay. Want to divide into 7 parts. Now listen, before problem, what part we have joined to our numerator value, is it? Here what, sorry, denominator value, is it? Here also, what is the denominator value? 4, is it? So the fourth part you want to join to R, okay. There before problem 5 parts, fifth part is in the denominator, so we have joined fifth part. Here the denominator is 4, so the fourth part, this Q4, you have to join to R, okay. The fourth part you want to join to R. Now students, listen here. Now you want to extend, I have explained you the scale, the numerator value is greater means the similar triangle will become outside. So please extend this part as well as this also, okay, extend this QR line and QP line. Extend this. Now listen here, same like before problem, you have to take any measurement and draw a arc, okay, from fourth part, okay. What we join? Fourth part. From fourth part with any measurement draw a arc, okay. Fourth part, what is the numerator value? 7th part. Same, with the same measurement you have to draw a arc in 7th part also, okay. With the same measurement you want to draw a arc in 7th part also, okay. Afterwards what we have to do? Measure this distance, okay, this and this distance, okay. From here to here you want to measure with this compass. Okay, now I have measured here to also from this, okay. Now we drawn the arc, no, from here to you want to draw the arc here also, okay. From here to not Q6, now we have drawn the arc, no, from here to here also you have to draw a arc. With the before, like before problem, you want to draw a line Q7R dash parallel to Q4R. Listen students, you have to join that, keep the set square in this line. Okay, it want to touch like this. Slowly, okay, this like if you can keep it and slowly move the point. Okay, you can keep like this. Okay, and slowly move the set square still the point Q7. Still the point Q7, it want to meet here also. Through this you have to draw a line. It want to touch this line. Okay, so you have to draw like this. Okay, this point you have to mention R dash. Okay, R dash, you have to mention R dash. Same like that from R2 also with any measurement. Okay, with any measurement draw a arc. With the same measurement from R dash also you have to draw a arc. With the same measurement with R dash also you have to draw a arc. Now, okay, now we have drawn the arc. Please measure this distance from this line, QR line. The arc is meeting now that point, and PR line the arc is meeting. This much distance you have to measure with the compass. With this measurement from here to here draw a arc. Okay, how many measurement here we are getting. With this measurement from here to here you want to draw a arc. Now same like that you have to keep the set square like this. And slowly, okay, with using scale drawing means correctly will be get like this, keep it and slowly you move the set square still the point R dash. Okay, now the set square is meeting R dash point and this point also. Through this draw a line. This is P dash. Now the line P dash R dash is parallel to PR. If it is parallel only, your diagram is correct. Otherwise, it is not correct. Okay, clear? Any doubt in here? Any doubt, students? Okay, if you have doubt, you can ask in the doubt clearing section. Okay, Zoom up class, you can ask that. Next, now any doubt is here? Now the triangle P dash Q R dash is similar to triangle PQR with the scale factor 7/4 greater than 1. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Now how to write the construction here means same like here. Constructed triangle PQR with any measurement, draw a ray like the same procedure. Okay, like before problem, somewhat difference is there. Okay, like this you have to draw a construction also. Clear? Okay, this is the midterm test portion. Okay, next week or August month maybe midterm test will be there. This portion also is there for midterm test. So please learn well. Okay, thorough this problem. Okay, you want to be see properly, that is a scale factor is greater than 1 means the scale factor is greater than 1 means the similar triangle will become outside. The scale factor is less than 1 means the similar triangle will become inside. Okay, the similar triangle will become inside. Here the scale factor is 7 by 4 greater than 1. So we got the similar triangle outside of this triangle. Okay, outside of this triangle. Clear? Okay, now I am going to give 2 problem as homework. You have to do that 2 problem. Okay, the remaining problem tomorrow we will be give. Okay, today I am giving 2 problem as homework. So can you able to do? Okay, same model I am giving 2 problem as homework. Okay. Exercise 4.1 10th problem and 12th problem as homework. 10th problem first model. 12th problem is second model. Okay. There if the triangle ABC given means the 12th problem the triangle name is ABC. So in this place ABC like that you have to put. Okay, ABC. Here B1, B2, B3 like that. Here A dash, B dash like that you want to write. Okay. Okay students, please learn this problem. This is 8 mark question. Okay. This 2 question also 8 mark problem. Okay. Thank you students.